today we got a new package. We're gonna do an unboxing and see what is inside. So follow me. Hello and welcome to Moneda Republic. Today we're gonna open this little package, but before we do that, I'd just like to thank everybody for support me and all the subscribers and friends and family that help me out with this my little channel. Hope you love it and enjoyed it. I invite you to see and watch all the other videos too. We got some videos there in English and some there in Spanish, so you can have a variety of different options in there. So in today's video we're gonna open this envelope. Let's see what is inside. Already see good things going on. All right, let's see. Let's set this aside. That's a beautiful 2020 beautiful eagle. That's fantastic. There is a little glare. Hope you guys can see it. I can try to zoom in. Well, I can try to get closer maybe. There we go. See if it focuses. I think it does. Maybe. There we go. You have a beautiful mintage 70 2020 silver eagle. That's beautiful. And I try to get these as much as I can, especially this here. There we go. Beautiful reverse. I know there is a lot of glare, but the purpose of this for you guys to see something beautiful each time. Then I receive these boxes. I have a couple more unboxing videos that I'd like to share with you, and always something different. Okay, so again, this was just a short video to show you something different all the time. In this episode we have a great mintage 70 perfect silver eagle 2020, which we're gonna add to the collection. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this short video again. Tell your friends, subscribe, just give me a like, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao, ciao.